Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video we will discuss is there is any chance to download and install Pubg New State in iPhone 5, iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. So keep watching this video until the end. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we will check the About section in my iPhone. Launch Settings, General and tap on About. I'm using iPhone 6 and iOS version is 15.1. So I can get easily this Pubg New State in my iPhone. Now I'm going to give you the suggestion to download and install this game in iPhone 5, 6 and 6 Plus. Method number 1. Launch Safari browser and search for betaprofile.com and tap on first link. After loading the page, tap on Install Profile to install iOS 15.2 Beta 2. Install anyways. Tap Allow, close and go to Settings. Tap Install. iPhone passcode required. Tap Install. Install. Not now and done. Go back to General and tap on Software Update. And install iOS 15.2 Developer Beta 2 in your iPhone. If this method is not working, then before what we have to do, we will use the Apple ID. Same Apple ID that we are using in iPhone 10, 11, 12 and 13, and we will get any application in any iPhone. But now it's not possible for this game, so we have to wait until we get any solution. I will try my best to upload a method to download and install this game, Pubg New State, in your iPhone 5, iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. So stay connected. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video is very informative for you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.